morning mga kapitok! Isa na naman pong fun-filled episode ang matutunghayan ninyo sa araw na ito. In our today's episode, we will feature ang isa sa nagbubuo ng mobile phone sa industriya ng telecommunications. At syempre, ito ay proudly Pinoy made. And of course, tatakamin na naman po tayo ni Chef Mitch sa kanyang mga Asian cuisines only at Asian Food Trip. All of this and more when Pinoy Talk returns. As Buddha told us that keeping our body in good health is a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. That's what Belleza Spa is offering. Belleza is a one-stop shop spa by not just invigorating your soul and well-being, but your outer self, as their Belleza Salon and Spa offers you a wide array of pampering from head to toe.
Join us at Belleza Spa and experience the Belleza's touch.
Visit us at 601 General Malvar Street, Malate, Manila, and experience relaxation and the star treatment that you are looking for. Mama, wala akong cellphone.
Ano bang ginawa mo sa cellphone mo?
Nagmamadali nga kasi ako kagabi, nalaglag ko.
Gusto naman. Alam mo, dapat sa'yo matibay na cellphone.
Oo nga, tama ka dyan.
Correct.
Sa mama, gusto kong bumili. Bumili na tayo ngayon.
Tara, go!
Uy, ito mama, oh.
Ay, ito maganda.
Hi.
Ah,
Ano to kuya, DTC?
DTC ma'am, Philippine brand, Android phone.
Android phone. Ay, social. Patingin nga. Ano mga to? Ito, ano ba to? Tablet ba yan? Cellphone din?
Phone na rin po siya ma'am.
Phone. Ang galing nga.
Wait lang ma'am, pakita po namin ma'am.
Sige, sige.
Ito yung pinaka-number 1 namin na.
Ito yung bestseller nyo.
Actually, before, bestseller namin because may flash na yung camera, then Android na rin siya. So, very madaling magamit. Magda-download ng games, mga application ng games. And then yung mga common na dina-download sa Google search na gagawa na rin niya doon.
Talaga?
Lahat ng mga ano niyo sa Google, makikita niyo na rin dito. Besides, may camera na rin siya. Pwede niyo gamitin.
Sa harap meron din.
Ay, sa harap ma'am, may offer ako sa inyo. So, gusto ko lang sana i-browse nyo para makita nyo yung
Magkano naman to?
2,990 ma'am. Promo price na po yun ma'am.
Mura.
And then kung hinahanap nyo po yung bago na meron tayong front camera, mas mataas na po siya, 5 megapixel.
5 megapixel.
Ito po siya, Dex dyan. Ganyan po yung una namin nilabas. And then may nilabas din dahil gusto nila, mas malinaw yung camera. And then meron siyang front camera.
Okay.
Mas malaki yung screen size.
Ganda.
And then may nilabas tayong other color, white.
White. Oo nga, parang bagay to sa akin, mama. Oh.
ay, social yung white. Oh.
Diba? Taray. Pang girl na girl. Pero teka lang ate, matitibay ba yung mga yan?
Yes, ma'am.
Meron po tayong nationwide service warranty and then meron tayong replacement upon factory defect. Nag-replace po kami nun.
Ito ma'am, back and front na rin po yung camera niya. So ang internal niya ma'am, 4 gig memory.
Hindi mataas.
Yes ma'am. Ang external niya po, hanggang 32. Expandable po yun
Eh
ma'am.
kuya, lagi kasi akong gumagamit ng cellphone. Paano yung battery? Baka lang madaling malobat yan.
Hindi po ma'am. So usually naman po ma'am, si Android ma'am, 1K lang po talaga nilobat. Kahit ano pong Android. Pero ang DTC po ma'am, nasubukan na po namin. So subok na po talaga ng pamasa ang DTC na hindi po siya madaling malobat.
Tsaka pansin ko lang ang mura ng Android phones. Diba?
Actually ma'am, naglabas kasi tayo ng mga phone na pwede natin i-compete sa mga taong can afford ng mga higher version. Kasi ano yung in na yun, which is Android. So, sa mga taong pangmasa, na gusto nila ng phone na affordable yung price, practical naman. So, far naglagas kami ng looks like elegant phone. Alam nyo naman, hindi nyo kung papansinin nyo po.
Parang diba?
Okay yung
Maganda
looks niya.
siya, no?
In fairness
Pagdating naman po sa durability niya, okay naman po siya.
Ito to?
Kasi-
Ano ba to? Sino may gawa nito?
Actually, ma'am, ano siya, Germany parts.
Germany parts,
Since
pero...
dito sa Asian tayo, assembled talaga siya by China.
Okay. So, Filipino-owned siya.
Yes, ma'am.
Filipino-made. Oo. Wow, ang galing-galing.
So, ma'am,
Nakakatuwa.
kung ako sa inyo, ano po mas prefer niyo na phone? Yung,
Ako, gusto ko yan.
Ay, Angel, mas
Diba?
bagay sa'yo yan.
mas bagay talaga sa inyo, ma'am. Alam niyo kung bakit? Ito yung pinaka-latest namin na phone.
Okay.
Jelly Bean. Pagdating naman sa application, kung gusto niyo mag-download ng maraming application, 4 gig built-in memory card.
Mhm.
And then, may free din kami 2 gig. Okay. At the same time, kung problem nyo naman, isa lang yung SIM nyo, bibigyan namin kayo yung free na isa.
Sige ate, ito na bibilin ko. Gusto ko yan. Gusto mo?
Ganito.
May phone ako.
Kahit may napili kayo, ma'am, ito kasi yung regular price natin. 5,690.
Ito yung price niya, regular 569.
Ibigyan ko kayo discount for cash.
Okay.
Less 400. Magiging 5,290 lang siya. Then, ibigyan natin siya ng SIM card na 2 gig. Tsaka, smart SIM card.
Taray! Thank you! Maraming
Angel.
salamat! Founded in 2011, DTC is one of the leading manufacturers of high-quality, low-cost, and ROHS-compliant mobile devices in the Philippines and abroad, including classic bar phones, TV phones, Android-based smartphones and tablets. Operations are primarily handled from their office in Manila, but product distribution spans Southeast Asia and the Americas. At dahil sa kanilang dedikasyon sa innovative technology at matugunan na pangangailangan ng kanilang mga customers, ang DTC ay naging honoree ng Best Innovative Brand of Mobile Phones National Awards noong 2011 at National Product Quality Excellence Awards nito lamang 2013. Good morning, Pinoy Talk. With me right now is Mr. Ferdinand Buensalida Jr., the General Manager of DTC Mobile Distribution, and Mr. Rowen Palintan, DTC's representative. Hi!
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. What does DTC stand for?
DTC stands for Dedicated to Consumer because DTC focuses on the Filipinos, yung mga masa. So, yung tagline ng brand namin is Dedicated to Consumers. So, namin i-emphasize yung mga masa.
Okay. So, gaano katagal na po ang DTC sa market?
DTC started July 2012. Sa 2 years na kami ng operation namin today.
2 years.
Yes,
So,
2
kumusta naman po?
We're doing well. Yung 2 years na yan, we sold more than 400,000 units already. So, maganda na yung penetration namin sa market.
Well, that's good. So, compared to other mobile phones out in the market right now, ano po yung sa tingin nyo yung edge ng DTC to other mobile phones?
First, DTC is an international brand. We are present in Nepal, Bangladesh, and South Africa. And then we're targeting markets such as Singapore, South America, and so on. So, DTC, ang talagang protektahan namin is yung quality namin. Our phones are built with optimum quality and durability. And also, si DTC, yung price niya is very competitive naman compared to other brands.
So, for example, sir, this mobile phone, ito anong brand to?
That's a GT8.
GT8. So, out na rin, itong lahat
Yes.
nasa
Ito
market.
yung mga bago naming lineup ng mga Android phones na present na rin ngayon sa market.
How can you assure yung durability ng mobile phones nyo?
Kasi yung counterpart namin sa China, meron kaming sariling factory. So may sarili kaming R&D. So yung every phone may mga drop test yan, durability, stress test. So lahat yun kino-consider namin para pag nirelease sa Pilipinas, wala nang problema.
Very good. So, when you say affordability, sa tingin nyo ba, pangmasa talaga yung presyo?
Of
natin?
course. Hindi naman kami maglalabas ng quote. Kaya nga yung tagline pa lang namin, Your Voice, Our Passion. Plus yung DTC na namin is dedicated to consumer. So talagang yung pricing namin talagang patok na patok sa masa.
Saan po yung mga stores ng DTC ngayon?
More on sa Metro Manila and sa South Luzon. Pero soon, we're gonna have stores sa Cebu, sa Davao, and hopefully this year nationwide na ang namin.
So, sir, I've heard that you had an event recently lang Can you tell us more about it?
Yeah, we launched this lineup at the F1 Hotel at the Fort, and we have a video conference such as Inquirer and some tabloids, and also on that press conference we have our partners in Hong Kong who also demonstrate some of our new models, and including the new lineups. So.
Okay, sir. So, since naka-line up na sa harap natin itong mga new models nyo, syempre yung mga televiewers natin excited na malaman kung magkano mga ito, di ba?
Syempre. Ang price range naman ng mga phones namin is from between 2,000 to 6,000. So, very, very affordable.
2,000 to 6,000 itong mga to?
Yes.
Wow,
So, 2,000 to
mura
6,000.
in fairness. So, talagang kahit bagsak mo siya.
Oh, yes. Pwede mo rin gawin yan. At kahit ikatok-katok mo lang dito, everything, okay lang.
Paano syempre yung mga features niya, kailangan, di ba, sa masa, pwede ba mag-download dito ng mga applications?
Of course. Pwede naman yan.
Camera?
Yes,
Okay
may
naman.
camera, okay din yan. Very excellent na quality ng phones namin. I can assure you na sobrang gaganda ng phones namin.
Kung social tignan, di ba? Parang, pero hindi naman siya mabilis magastos.
Hindi naman.
Naku, sorry, sir.
Okay lang yan. Kasi alam mo, ang DTC is made, yung gaya nga nasabi ko kanina, is made durable. So kahit inak mo lang ganyan ito, mo, or pwede screen, okay lang. So
Seryoso?
pag binuksan natin.
Ay, di bagsak-bagsak ko siya?
Yeah, siyempre, okay naman yan.
Oh my gosh.
See? So talagang yung durability ng phone namin is talagang tinitake care namin.
Taray.
Siyempre. So, okay lang yung mga mabaksak.
Siyempre, nabagsak na to, akin na to, di ba?
Sige, okay lang.
Pero okay lang daw, mga pito. Narinig niyo yan.
So, I invite you to buy our product, DTC, and I can assure you, yung quality nito is talagang nasa standard talaga. From China, papunta pa lang dito, talagang chine-check na namin ito. And from this price range na 2,000 to 6,000, very reasonable.
Yeah, yung DTC, it's 100% tested and reliable now. So please try DTC.
Thank you, sir. So mga kapitok, DTC, your voice, your passion. So mga kapitok, let us be proud dahil may mga produktong pang-teknolohiya na kaya makipagsabayan sa internationally made gadgets. Come on and let's try DTC mobile phones. As Buddha told us that keeping our body in good health is a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. That's what Belleza Spa is offering. Belleza is a one-stop shop spa by not just invigorating your soul and well-being, but your outer self, as their Belleza Salon and Spa offers you a wide array of pampering from head to toe.
Join us at Belleza Spa and experience the Belleza's touch.
Visit us at 601 General Malvar Street, Malate, Manila, and experience relaxation and the star treatment that you are looking for. Presenting Telucas Creations, creating fashion accessories with you in mind. With every item handcrafted and made with tender loving care, Telucas Creations has dozens of designs for fashion accessories which can be tailor-made to your taste. Call or text at 0917-625-5814 for orders or email us at telucascreations@gmail.com. This portion is brought to you by Buffet Asia, the only buffet restaurant where you can take out your leftovers.
Sometimes I get the feeling that there's more to life than
Annyeonghaseyo! Chanmaneo Asian Food Trip with Chef Mitch. Nagets nyo ba mga ka-food trip? Well, ako man po ay hindi kasi that's Korean language. Yan ang peg ko today. Gaya ng ibang bansa ay ang usong-uso sa Pinas ang mga Korean food, fashion, songs at ang dating mga nausong Korean telenovela. Humaling na humaling tayo sa kanilang mga actors and actresses. Aminin natin yan.
Hindi maipagkakailang tila sinakop na ng mga Koreans ang Pilipinas dahil sa impluwensya ng kanilang kultura sa ating mga mamamayan. Sa Pilipinas pa lang, 96,632 Koreans na ang expatriates simula noong 2009 o 16% ng kanilang populasyon. Karamihan sa mga Koreans ay na-attract sa magandang klima ng Pilipinas, ang hospitality ng bansa, at ang murang pag-aaral ng salitang Ingles. Dahil sa migration na ito ay naimpluwensyahan na ang mga Pilipino sa kanilang mga kultura, musika at maging ng kanilang mga pagkain.
Well, dahil Korean ang peg ko ngayon, ay magluluto po tayo ng isang Korean food. Pero this time is going to be a fusion of Japanese and Korean. So yours truly will cook Korean grilled herb salmon na isang Korean dish with a Japanese touch. So start na po tayo! So first, we will place in canola oil sa pan. Okay. And then, these are fresh salmon fish galing sa mga supermarkets. Place it in here. Okay. Then, these are fresh rosemary herbs, fresh from the market. Ito kasing rosemary herbs na to, nakakapag-add to ng aroma sa mga seafood, sa mga beef. So, we'll place it in here. Okay. And then, we'll place in some granules with nori. Bango. Okay, so we will add a pinch of pepper. Dito po, each po. Okay. And then, this is Italian herbs. Sobrang love na love ko po yung Italian herbs. Pero you can use basil lang naman. Okay lang naman yon. And then, ito yung nori strips. Ito yung nirarap natin doon sa mga maki. Okay. Sobrang dali lang po lutuin natin yung salmon. Okay. So we flip. Flip. We'll add up some lemon. And then some lemon zest. Okay. And then we'll add up some spring onions. Okay. So, ayan. Sobrang malapit na pong maluto natin yung Korean herb salmon po natin. This actually dish is original recipe na created po ng Buffet Asia. So, if you wanna taste this one and you wanna smell yung aroma po ng grilled herb salmon na to, you can just drop by here at Buffet Asia. It's located at West Ave, Quezon City. So, ayan. When we come back po, we are going to cook grilled asparagus nori salad. So, when we return here at Asian Food Trip with Chef Mitch.
Need of custom-made electric tricycles that can suit your needs? Make it alternative modern transport DeanWorks. Whether it be golf carts for resorts, tricycles for local government transportation, or for personal use, AMT has the edge. Call us at 0922-848-6635. As Buddha told us that keeping our body in good health is a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our minds strong and clear. That's what Belleza Spa is offering. Belleza is a one-stop shop spa by not just invigorating your soul and well-being, but your outer self, as their Belleza Salon and Spa offers you a wide array of pampering from head to toe.
Join us at Belleza Spa and experience the Belleza's touch.
Visit us at 601 General Malvar Street, Malate, Manila, and experience relaxation and the star treatment that you are looking for.
Welcome back mga ka-food trip! Susunod naman nating gagawin ay ang grilled asparagus nori salad. So fusion pa rin ang dish na gagawin natin dahil nori is an edible seaweed that is only found sa Japan. So since Korean ang dish natin today, itatry po natin i-incorporate ito sa Japanese food. So start na po tayo, gagawin ang ating grilled asparagus nori salad. Step po natin is that we're going to place olive oil para po sa ating asparagus. So, i-grill po natin yung asparagus.
Matofado gentleman. Matofado gentleman.
We are going to place in the asparagus. Okay. So, ayun po mga kapitok, ihahalo na po natin yung homemade sauce ng ating salad. Ayan. And then, yung pinaka-surprising po dito na ilalagay natin na ingredient dito po sa ating salad is that ito po yung tinatawag nating tostillas. Okay? So, ang technique ko po dito is that I let it dry. Kumbaga, parang madry po siya, yung moisture niya. Kasi dapat naka-ref po ito lagi, naka-chill po siya lagi. So ito, hinayaan ko po ito ng mga around an hour para po maging crispy siya. Talagay po natin dito. And then we will add up. This is called 4 peppercorns. And this is nutmeg. Actually po yung isang salad should always have yung parang nutty taste and then yung texture niya, yung parang may crunch. So ito po, nutmeg po yung choice ko, but you can always opt to have, like for example, almonds, mga ganun po. So you see the combination of all the colors, and then kung sana po nandito lang po kayo sa studio, dito po sa Buffet Asia ngayon, masismell niyo po yung aroma na sinasabi ko ng mixtures of a lot of herbs. So, ito po yung pinaka-final touch po natin. This is, I'm going to use a white molded cheese. And then, we are going to carve Emmental cheese. This is actually a Bavarian cheese. So, Okay, ito yung sobrang pinaka na last na talaga na ingredient. This is called tarragon leaves. And then, last one, we call this croutons. So, ayan. Ito na yung pinaka-final product po natin. So, eto mga kapitok at mga ka-food trip, eto na talaga yung pinaka sobrang last na talaga po. Ito po yung tinatawag natin na nori strips. Ayan. So, ayan mga ka-food trip at mga kapitok, natapos na po natin yung ating grilled asparagus nori salad. So, ito pong next dish po natin is called a volcano cream cheese potatoes. So, sobra po tayong matutuwa dito dahil ito pong dish na ito ay inspired po sa isa sa mga favorite ng isa sa mga pinakakilala at sikat na aktor na si Lee Min-ho from South Korea. So, start na po tayo! So, we will start from, ito po yung cream cheese. I-melt lang po natin siya. So, ito po, mga kapitok, ating cream cheese. Add po natin ito ng, this is cheese granules. Okay. And then, spring onions. Ganun lang po ito kadaling dish na ito. This is actually an appetizer for yung mga nauna po natin na dish. Ito po, lalagyan po natin siya ng nutmeg para maging nutty po yung flavor niya. And then, parmesan cheese. Yung parmesan po, yung amount po ng parmesan is dependent on kung gaano nyo po kagusto maging cheesy po yung sauce po ninyo. Okay. Then, mix lang po ito. Then, we'll add up a little bit of water. So, okay na po yung ating sauce. While waiting for mga siguro couple of seconds na lang po yung ating sauce. Ito po yung baked potato po natin. So, dito po nilagay ko po sa almirez and then I pounded it. So, ito po ang gagawin po natin is that we'll get this one. And then, bubuo-buuhin lang po natin siya. Place it here. And what we're going to do is that we're going to place a little bit of granules again. And then, ito na po yung final touch natin. We're going to place in the cream cheese. Okay. Tapos, we'll create a little hole here. And then we'll crack an egg. Place it on top of that. So, ito na po yung final product natin. You can still find it here only at Buffet Asia Resto Bar. So, isa na namang napakasayang Saturday morning ang naganap dito sa Asian Food Trip with Chef Mitch. Please do like us on Facebook, www.facebook.com/buffetasiarestobar. For your questions, you can email us at buffetasiarestobar@gmail.com. And we are also accepting catering and events services. Call us at 267-1240, 0922-898-3253, or 0908-820-8108. So always remember, here at Asian Food Trip with Chef Mitch, anybody can cook.
She
bags, ano pa ang meron sa Sophie Paris?
Yes. Aside sa mga bags, Miss Em,